Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and in today's video we're going to be looking at these. It's the essential fast charging, or the fast charging essentials from our friends over at Anker. Now as you can see here, it just said new iPhone, but then Samsung did something similar and went, no chargers. So this is for either the Samsung Galaxy S21 devices or the iPhone lineup. Should we see what Anker have got up the sleeves? Yeah? Okay, let's check it out. Now I must say, this box is a big old chunky boy. Look at that. It's massive. Huh? So you sick of slow charging? I think everyone is. Well, the Anker, #1 fast charging brand for America. On the bottom of the box, all the same stuff. On the back, get ready for mind-blowing speeds. Happy days. So let's have a quick look. Let's see what we actually get inside here. There are a couple of different things in here. So, 3 times faster than your old charger. Now this is obviously for the iPhone, not for the Samsung devices. But the cool thing about this is all the things you're going to see today will work with either the Samsung Galaxy S21, 21 Plus or the Ultra, or, as the packaging will all lead you to believe, or with the iPhone as well, which is pretty damn cool. So, we've got the Anker Nano, the Powerline 3, charging for 30 minutes. That's what you're going to get versus the old standard 5-watt charger from Apple. Are you happy? Why not? Huh? Oh, you're not happy? I'm happy. User manual. Yeah, I don't need any of that stuff. And here are the stars. So up top, I think this is the Nano straight away. And this, look, is the UK version. Happy days. Look how small it is. Now, it's a shame we can't fold these down somehow. That would be pretty damn cool. That'd be pretty damn cool, wouldn't it? And as you can see on the back of it here, get it to focus for you. It does 5 volts at 3 amp at 15 watts, or 9 volts at 2.22 amps at 21 watts. So yes, it is a 21 watt, 15 watt fast charger. So it will charge up your Samsung, your iPhones, etc. pretty damn fast. And it is the Type C, which is pretty damn duty. Anyway, let's just stick that off to the side, shall we? What else do we get? Oh, look at this bad boy. So I think this is the PowerPort 3, I think it is. And in this one, you actually get 2 USB Type C. There we go. And this one, you're like, oh, yay, America. Cool thing about this one is you can use it anywhere in the world. So, this little bad boy that I get inside my box. Some people, I saw them do this exact same box, and they didn't check underneath the box. Yes, look at this. So, all you do is slide it out. Job done. Slide this one in, and now I can use it in the UK. That simple. So if you saw some of your favourite YouTubers and they was like, yeah, I did a video on it, I definitely used it, they're talking codswallop, they're lying to you. Yeah, just put it into one of those converters, etc. I don't really believe that. Do you believe that? I don't. If they'd looked inside their bloody box, they would have noticed they had this. Happy days. Plug it into your wall outlet, then boom, you're getting those bad boys. So you're getting those 2 USB ports. And on the bottom of this one, as you can see here, 60 watt. So it is the PowerPort 3 2-port 60 watt. And that does, there we go, can we see it? That's 5 volts at 2 amp at 12 watts, 9 volts at 3 amp at 27. And I think it's 15 volts at 3 amp at 45. And last but not least, we've got 20 volts at 3 amp at 60 watt for the maximum per port. Yes, per port. There's 2 ports. Do the math. Does a hell of a lot of fast charging into this bad boy. So I'll tell you what, let's stick this little boy here, and then we get into the cables. These are very nice cables, I must say. So I'll tell you what, let's just pull them out one by one. So the cool thing is it's USB Type C on this end. So as you can see there's the USB Type C. And on the other end, we have our Lightning. Happy days, right? So yes, this is the new Powerline 3, I think it might be. Yeah, these are the Powerline 3 cables. Tell you what, I get really confused because there's all this stuff in one box. So we've got the Anker Nano, the power port 3, power port 2? No, power port 3. And then the power line 3, the actual cable itself as well. But then I'm also getting a Type C to Type C. So as I said at the beginning of the video, even though that originally, obviously it was branded for the iPhone, with Samsung pulling a switcheroo, if you now to buy this, and let's say you've got an iPhone and a Samsung Galaxy device, you have these two cables with this, you're charging everything in one. So yep, so this one goes in the bottom of there, goes to your iPhone. This one goes into the top one, goes to your Samsung device. You've got all that charging capability. And if you've got, let's say, one of the new MacBooks or something that runs a USB Type-C, you can even charge that using the Type-C on this one. Because again, it does 60 watts, which is pretty damn fast. Huh? Must admit, I'm happy about it. This is going to be my new charging setup. And again, I want to say thank you to Anker for sending this box out to me. I actually did get it about a month or two ago. So I do apologise for the slower than normal video. But hey ho, we are here. And here it is. Huh? Happy days, right? But that's it. Do you have any questions with regards to this or anything else? If you do, you can hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash the like button. Smash, smash, smash. And go on, subscribe. Why? Because it's free. Why would you not want to? And you might see some more of these goodies on the channel soon. Think I should do a giveaway? Huh? Should Anker do a giveaway on my channel? Let me know down there. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll see me. Well, if you don't see me, you'll definitely hear me. You're going to see these puppies in my next one. Cheers, everyone.